What's up everybody, welcome to Park Mazda. Today we're with a 2019 Mazda CX-9. We're going to pop in an Android phone and check out Android Auto. You're going to want to locate your USB ports. On the CX-9, they're in the center console. The top USB port there has a little mobile phone pointing at it. That is the port that you're going to want to plug your USB cord into. Then you'll take the other end of the cord and guess what? You plug that into your phone. Everything is going to connect automatically. The very first time that you connect the phone to Android Auto, you're going to have the emergency parking brake engaged. That is the only time you'll have to do it with the initial pairing. After that, you can just plug it in and it'll automatically connect. It will take you to the home screen here. There are several different ways to get back to the Mazda screen and back to the Android Auto screen. The first is the easiest. You hold down the home button. That'll take you back to the Mazda screen. Hold it down and it'll take you back to the home screen. You can also access it with the Android Auto icon in the top left corner, either by touching it with the touch screen or rolling to it with the HMI commander. You can also roll over to your applications and you can scroll down to Android Auto and there you are. So on the home screen, you're going to have your media at the top, your navigation right below that, and your phone call logs just below that as well. You're going to have a series of icons down at the bottom. The one on the left will take you to your Google Maps. If you push the joystick left, that'll take you to your external menu. That's going to show you your recent searches, and if you have anything else organized in your Google Maps as far as categories or personal locations, you'll be able to look those up as well. You've also got the phone icon. This is going to show all of your recent calls. Again, if you click left on the joystick of the HMI commander, it'll take you to your external phone options. Dial a number, contacts, call history, missed calls, voicemail. The center button takes you back to the home screen. And then of course you've got the headphones for your music. You'll be able to access your music, the play queue with that menu on the left. And then if you hit left on the joystick, that will take you to your external music menu, where you can access any playlists or anything that you've got available. Last but not least, you have this icon on the right, and that's going to take you back to the Mazda home screen. A couple more things on the home menu. You'll see the navigation portion right there. It says home 15 minutes. If you click that, that's going to automatically set up a Google Map route back to your home. So wherever you happen to be, it will navigate you back to where you live. You've also got your recent call. You can click that and it will automatically start calling your most recent call. So thank you very much for watching this video on Android Auto. You can check out more videos on our website, parkmazda.ca. You can also check out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our playlist of how-to videos for more Mazda tutorials. Hit that notification bell and you'll be able to see all the new videos as soon as they come up. So thank you again very much for watching this video. It's been our pleasure to serve you and we hope to see you very soon.